Have you ever been in an English conversation and then everyone starts laughing and you don't know why? Not understanding the joke can feel embarrassing, and you might even feel excluded from the group. But why is humour such a difficult part of learning a foreign language? Let's hear from some English learners at our Speaking Confidence workshop.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Isabel.
Isabel who?
Isabel really necessary on a bicycle.
You get it? No.
Isabel.
So in jokes like this, we're playing with the words, the spelling and the pronunciation. And we call this wordplay.
On a bike, you might have a bell, ding, 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 ding. So Isabel is a name, but you can also use it for a question. Is a bell, ding, 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 really necessary on a bike?
Oh, yes.
We often use wordplay or puns in English, and that is difficult unless you have a good knowledge of spelling and pronunciation patterns. And then there's the challenge of possible cultural differences. If you've grown up with different social norms and cultural references, then the funny part might not be funny to you. So how can we show our funny side in a foreign language? Well, the most important thing is to continue to be yourself. Even if the humour varies across cultures, you don't have to change your sense of humour to fit in. You can let your personality shine, whether that's playful, sarcastic, dry, goofy, just be yourself. You also don't need to use complicated language to be funny.
I think one can be funny even when you don't know a language really well. You can still find a way to bring some comedy into the room, even with a very broken English.
So use facial expressions, gestures, experiment with your tone of voice. Laugh at yourself when things go wrong. If you say something that doesn't work and someone laughs, laugh with them. Showing a bit of vulnerability can relax the atmosphere. Notice what makes you laugh, whether that's sitcoms or YouTube videos in English, or English speakers you know that are funny. Was it timing? A facial expression? A clever phrase? Maybe you can experiment and do the same.
If you understand the humor, you can understand better the culture from a country. I think so.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Let us.
Let us who?
Let us in. It's cold out there. It's cold out here.
Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
And that's it for now, but we'd love to hear your thoughts on humour and jokes in other languages. And make sure you check out the podcast episode. Go to our website, bbclearningenglish.com. Goodbye for now.